Let me show you one of the fastest and easiest way to install Mautic on your own VPS. That means no month-to-month payments, no payments like MailChimp or any other type of email marketing service. This is going to be free and it's going to be on your own server. So let's go to my desktop right now. What's up everyone? So like I said, I'm going to show you how to install Mautic without any complex installation process, all right? So no going into file manager, no uploads, no creating databases manually. Everything's going to be super easy. And for this, we're going to use Mautic, we're going to use a VPS, and we're going to use ServerAvatar, which is going to be our VPS manager. Now, before I show you how to install Mautic, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So go jump over to the link in the description, go to hosting, VPS hosting, and you're going to find the plans that they have available. Now, if you're going to use this for Mautic, you could definitely do it with KBM1, especially if you're just going to do email marketing for your own company and you're not going to be sending out emails all day long. But if you are, I do recommend that you check out the other plans. So let me go ahead and show you this one, the KBM2, and you can apply an extra discount coupon code that I'm going to show you. Now, the first thing you want to do is select the amount of months that you want to pay in advance for. Now, I recommend 24 months. You lock in the lowest price, lowest renewal price, and you're good to go for 24 months. Now, this is the price right now, but if you add my coupon code, which is SaaS Master, and apply it, the price is going to drop to $150. And that's for 24 months. So it's a great price. Now, jump over to ServerAvatar. Now, if you want to install a VPS to ServerAvatar, it's super easy. I'll be leaving the link in the description for that process step by step. Now, you can install any VPS for this process. In this case, I'm using Hostinger because they're the sponsor. So what you want to do, the only thing I want to show you is go to server, connect your VPS information here, and select Apache. All right, so be sure to make sure to select Apache. Once you do that, you're going to find the server list and you're going to find the one with the Apache web server. So we're going to open this up and we're going to go to applications, and in applications, we're going to go create, and in create, we're going to create our first application, which is going to be Mautic. All right. So let me go ahead and name this Mautic, and I'm not going to connect my own domain right now. I am going to use a test domain for this video. So let me go ahead and use Mautic. I'm going to use one click. I'm going to select Mautic and I'm going to add the details for Mautic. Now, this is for the installation process because when you're going to go to your page to go log into Mautic, you're going to need these details. Remember, you are hosting the files, not Mautic, all right? So I'm going to use my email, Mautic, database server. We're going to name this Mautic, and the mail from name, I'll say Mautic just for now. We can change all of this later on. The email, the username, password, the port, and the mail port. Like I said, I'm going to just wing it here for now, but you can modify all of this. So the installation process has begun. It's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes, and we should have Mautic ready to start using right away. All right, so let's give it a few seconds. There we go. Mautic has now been installed on this temporary domain, but on my own VPS. Now, if I need to add my own custom domain later on, I can do so from here. So don't worry about that if you first installed it on a temporary domain, all right? So let's go jump over to this test domain. Here we go. It's going to ask for the login details, the ones we provided in the beginning. Password, let's go ahead and log in. And boom, we are now on our own Mautic system, all right? So this is on our own VPS. We're hosting the files. No one has access to it, just us, all right? So the first thing I recommend, obviously, before you start using it is go through the setup process. So click on the gear icon, go to configuration, and go through the configuration process. You can set up your email here, your theme settings. Everything's going to be available right here. Theme, API, assets. This is a really powerful platform. And like I said before, you're not going to pay month to month like you would for something like MailChimp. This is going to be completely free to start using, and you can create your segments, your campaigns, your automations, everything from here. So definitely check it out. Like I said, I'm using Mautic, Hostinger for the VPS. You can use any VPS, and ServerAvatar to help us install this really easily without having to go through the process of file managers, uploads, databases, etc. It's all super easy with ServerAvatar. If you plan to grab a hosting plan, don't forget to use my coupon code SaaSMaster, and that's a wrap.